My offer got accepted. Now what? Hello, this is Rima Rafay with the Rafay Group here at ExP Realty, and congratulations on having your offer accepted. Here's a step-by-step guide what to do next in the home buying process. First, we open escrow. Escrow account, the earnest money deposit you provided will be placed in an escrow account managed by neutral third party. Escrow instructions, you will receive the detailed step-by-step for both buyer and seller that you need to follow to complete the transaction. Number 2, you schedule your home inspection. Hire an inspector and choose a licensed one that to evaluate the condition of the property. Inspection report, you review the inspection carefully, and if there are any significant issues, you may need to negotiate repairs or credit with the seller. Number 3, finalizing your financing. Loan application, you complete your mortgage application. If you haven't already done so, you provide documentation, submit any required documents to your lender, such as income, tax returns, and bank statements for loan approval. Your lender will process your application and conduct an appraisal and issue a loan approval. You conduct an appraisal, so the lender will order an appraisal to determine the property's market value. This ensures the property is worth the loan amount that you are paying for. And if the appraisal report comes in lower, then the purchase price may need to be renegotiated with the seller or come up with a difference in cash. And your agent will be able to guide you through that. Number 5, addressing all contingencies. You review contingencies, you fulfill your contingencies outlined in your purchase agreement, such as the home inspections, the appraisal, and the financing contingency. You negotiate any repairs that the inspection reveals, if it reveals any issues, and negotiate with the seller for the repairs or the financial concessions. And once everything is satisfied, you have your contingency removal, which formally remove contingencies to proceed with the sale of the property. Number 6, you secure your home insurance. For home insurance, obtain quotes for insurance and select policy. You have to provide your lender with the policy for the proof of insurance before closing. And number 7, you review your closing documents. Closing disclosure, your lender will provide you with, we call it a CD. It's a closing disclosure at least 3 days prior to closing escrow or signing your loan docs. So review it carefully and ensure all details are correct. And please seek out your real estate agent or your lender with any questions on those documents. And you ensure the title search with your title company to verify there are no liens or claims against the property. And you have to do at the end your final walkthrough inspection. The final walkthrough of the property ensures the same condition as when you made your offer, and that they are agreed upon. Repairs that you have agreed upon during escrow have been made. And finally, we'll get to the closing the deal. Closing, you have to attend the closing meeting sometimes, which may include the seller or the real estate agent or the title companies, or sometimes the lender, depending where you're at. You sign your loan documents and all necessary documents to secure your mortgage, your note, your deed of trust, and any other legal paperwork. Pay your down payment. At the end, you have your closing costs and your final down payment, usually through a wire transfer or a cashier check. And that's what becomes the time when you get the keys. So once all documents are signed and funds are dispersed, you will receive the keys for your own new home. Remember, title company will record the deed with the county, officially transferring ownership to you. So make your move-in plan and be smart about it. Selling in your new home, you have to change your address, update your address with the post office, update your utilities, and other important services for a smooth process. Remember to stay organized, keep all documents and communication organized to easy reference, and communicate regularly with your real estate agent, your lender, and all the parties that involved in the transactions. By following these steps, you'll be able to go on your way to a successful closing on your new home. If you have any questions regarding any real estate needs, you can always reach out to me at 661-236-8899.